Hey guys, it's Simon from STRAPIFY. So this is a video on the Galaxy Watch 4 metal bands and why you need a gap adapter for the Galaxy Watch 4. So right now I've got a 20mm strap on my Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. The Galaxy Watch 4 all uses 20mm bands. So the issue with 20mm metal bands is because the Watch 4 gap here is slightly smaller than 20mm, a metal band in most cases will not fit on its own. So the end of this watch here actually measures about 19.6, 19.7 millimeters. This 20mm metal band here measures about 19.7, 19.8 millimeters. So the moment you put this in, it's either going to be a really tight fit or it's not going to go in at all. So you can see here, I can't even get this 20mm band in. I mean, it's gone in now, but the moment you try and straighten it out, it doesn't really like to sit nicely. So it's in now, but I can't actually move this end link upwards. It's a really tight fit. So this might be okay if you've got really small wrists, because if this end link is facing vertical and you've got larger wrists, this won't be able to move up, and so it may be slightly uncomfortable if you've got larger wrists. So you can see here it's kind of locked tight in place because it's just such a tight fit. So to fix this problem, you've got two options. So either you purchase one of these gap adapters, and these just fit in straight into the watch like this. And on the back it just connects with quick release spring bars, so they just get put inside there. And then what happens is we then fit a 20mm band easily onto this end link. I'm not sure if you can see that there. Okay. So you can see now that that 20mm end link fits on perfectly and can flex easily. So I'm going to put this on now just so that you can see what it looks like. So it's going to look a lot better just given that it's a flush finish against the watch. So we're going to put the quick release spring bars in first into the end link. And then we're going to put one side into the quick release holes. It can be a bit fiddly to begin with, but once you get used to it, it's not too bad. So I've got one side locked in, and I'm just going to slide the other side in. So that's not exactly locked in just yet because this end isn't in yet. So I'm just going to try and poke that bit in. Okay, and now it's clicked into place, so that's how it looks on its own. So now I'm going to put the end of this metal band in. So spring bar in first, and I'm going to connect it into the adapter. So that's clicked into place. I'm going to put another spring bar in. Oops, I need to put the other side of the adapter. Again, it's poking it on this side. Sometimes it's easier just to pull it out and start again. Okay, It's now locked into place. So I'll add the spring bar into the other end of the watch strap. Okay, and now that's locked into place. Okay, so you can see there that that looks really good. You've got a clean finish from the watch to the strap, and the metal band fits perfectly. So this strap is going to be pretty big for me because I haven't adjusted the links, but just for the sake of the video, that's how it looks on the wrist. So there you go, looks great.